do you say about all the toys?
Shopkin.
You see Shopkins?
Yeah, I do.
Do your video. Say hi. Alright, look at them all.
Shopkin. My first time at Toys R Us. Yeah. I got a loose tooth. What's it?
So your Shopkins crazy busy at Toys R Us?
What?
Each Lipsy has her own unique personality and dream that come to life through her playset.
We just got the toy that we wanted to get. A live turtle. We're gonna unbox it later. We're gonna put this video on YouTube. Bye.
What do you got?
We just got the little live pig. But it's a turtle. I already told you we're gonna be unboxing it when we ready to go. Hello everyone. Remember my Toys R Us video when I got this? Guess what? We're finally opening it. Let me get the scissors to sniff the back.
What's your name?
Her name is Stars. Her real name is Star E, but I just want to call her Stars for sure. So we got her out, and we're going to get the battery. It's in my hand. Put it in. I wonder what this does. That's what makes her move, I think.
I don't get it. Start it.
This is the turtle. Now let me open the turtle's cage. Now we need to remove this. Mom, I kind of broke the cage again. Keep on doing that. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Funk you up, down. What? Sniff some more. People, this is really hard to open. Mom, can you get that? Yeah. Oh, got it out. Wait. I'm gonna look with the... Let us take this off. Let me take out the cardboard. Where's the turtle? Let me go in. What? Does this turtle poop out Shopkins? That's weird, everyone. Good thing I got scissors. Let's open this. You know that big Shopkin video, my first Shopkin video ever? That was the only Shopkins I unboxed in a video. So this is my second Shopkins I unboxed in a video. Oh. That's easy. Curd. It's party in the USA. You know where the iPad's in the background? I was watching some YouTube channels when my mom was getting the cup of water. And now I'm trying to just put that there. Here's the two Shopkin blind bags. Now let me just cut them open. And wait, I think, yeah, I see it. I think it's one of those hats that are for artists. Oops.
Okay, hand it to me and I'll open them and pass them.
No, I can do it.
Of course you can.
Potty, potty, potty. Nathan! Oh, he's not here. I forgot. Yep, I was right. What is this? It's like a yellowish brown. I think it's like the chocolate bar, but with a yellow wrapper. Nope. It's the other way around. Do 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 do. Everyone, that's weird that turtle poops out Shopkins. You got the water, Mom? All the water's in here. Let's move the turtle.
Just to be messy.
Yay, they never spilled. Who wants to go and test out in the sink? People don't do this. Turtle. Mom, can I have a little water in here, please?
I think that's supposed to be the land part.
Yes.
But maybe you should.
It says on the box.
Oh, maybe it does.
It says on the box. Look. That's water.
Try again.
Wrap it up.
It like swaps. And then it goes into the water.